Good morning. We will see if else ladder. See what is if else ladder. Basically, if condition is true, it will comes to the else part. If I want to take more than 2 to 3 conditions, we need to go for a if else ladder. For example, I'm taking marks. If I take marks equal to 40, maybe he will fail. Otherwise, marks equal to 60, maybe he was pass. But I want to check A grade, B grade, C grade or D grade. What I need to take the condition. Here the first thing is if I want to go for A grade, I'm taking the marks in between 85 to 100. How I can write the if condition? There is no possibilities. Then we will move to the else if condition. How I can write what is the marks here? Marks greater than 85. Then this is logical and operator. Again, marks less than or equal to 100. See, we will check this condition once. I got 75 marks. I got 75 marks. See, check here. 75 less than 85. Condition is fail. Again, check 90. 90 less greater than 85. Condition is true. At the same time, we need to check the other marks also. What is the marks here? 90 less than or equal to 100. Both conditions are true. Then it will execute the block. In the same way, we can write the another scenario also. I can write else if else if marks I'm taking as a greater than 60, logical and operator. Again, marks less than or equal to, I'm taking 85. Why? Because here it will take 84 only. Then check the scenarios. My marks is 7. I'm taking as a 50. Check here, 50 greater than 60. False. False. Again check the other condition. 50 less than or equal to 85. This is also a false. Then check a true value. 60 to 85. I'm taking as a 75. 75 greater than 60. It's a true condition. At the same time, 75 less than or equal to 80. It's a true condition. Here we are checking two conditions at a time. At the same time, we need to write the program. At this in the same scenario, you can take 50 to 30. It's a B grade, C grade, whatever it is. We can write it in the program. The same logic I am implementing by using Turbo C. See here. See here. See, I want to write the marks. If I'm starting with if marks greater than 85, logical and operator, marks less than or equal to 100 means 100 means it's a grade. Printf, I'm taking A plus grade. Then second condition, if marks greater than, I'm taking 60, 60, and marks less than or equal to, I'm taking 85. So what it comes here, A grade. Again I'm taking see if I write if, it will show error. Then I need to write here else if, else if, else if marks, I'm taking greater than 40 and marks less than or equal to, I'm taking 60. I'm taking it as a printf, printf B grade. Then else if marks greater than 30, marks less than or equal to 40. Then we can go for the C grade. Printf C grade. I'm closing the if else, then else. Then we need to write the last part, else. Printf fail. We need to mention this condition also. If all the conditions are true, if one condition is true, then automatically it will execute here. If anything falls with the else if condition, means automatically it will come under else block. I'm saving the program. I'm checking if is there any errors. Yes, there is a one error where it is unexpected. Yes. Again, I'm saving the program. Yes, I'm comparing the program. Check here. Yes, there is no errors. Run the program. Yes, enter your marks. See, I'm giving 45. If I give 45, where it comes? It comes under B grade. No, 1 second. You need to write get ch here. Get ch. Save the program. Compile the program. No errors. Run the program. And what I'm taking 45. See, it's a B grade. What is our condition? We already take the same itself. Again, I am checking. I am running the program. I want to go for A plus grade. A plus grade means at least 85 to 100. I'm taking 98. It's a plus grade. So this is the condition how we need to check. I want to fail the students also. Fail means I need to give 1 second. I will show you. Fail. Fail means I am giving 10 marks. Why? Because C grade 30 to 40. Fail. So this is the program how you can write, and this is the if else condition. Finally, you can click on exit. So if you have any doubts, just give me a comment. Thank you and have a nice day.